It's time to tell you why I built Flexi. It was an app that I built for my freelance clients because I was tired of rebuilding the same sections over and over and over again. And for context, it is a library of sections that you could drop into any Shopify theme. I explored other section libraries, but honestly, they always just kind of fell short. I needed something that would be bloody fast on page load, not overly branded in the theme customizer, not inject a bunch of useless code in the theme. Flexi only adds sections, blocks, and one minified CSS file, and that means really teeny. Easy to use without too many settings, which honestly just gets confusing. But in a pinch, settings such as dev mode, which would allow me to add my own classes for when clients decide to get picky. To top it all off, I needed a system, a way of simply adding sections to my clients' themes that played well with meta fields and meta objects, and also looked like it could fit in a store like Lululemon, Nike, Athletic Greens. And if you're watching this, please don't sue me. But here's the thing. I've been working on this app a long time, arguably too long, and statistically I probably should have quit by now, but I won't, because I believe in this product even if I'm only building it for me, because it's honestly transformed how I complete client work, and I think it could fit into your flow too. And throughout the past few years, if you've tried Flexi, sometimes we release features, we got it right, and sometimes we got it wrong, but we are always dedicated to building the best app as possible. And now it's in its final form, 3 years, 5 versions, and I'm gonna show you how you can use this app in just 30 seconds. So start the clock. First, you'll want to install the Shopify app from the Shopify App Store. And then once you're in the app, you'll want to start your free trial, but you won't be billed until the end of your 2 weeks. Then all you'll need to do is browse sections and select the theme that you're working on, add in the section to your theme, then navigate over into your theme, select edit theme. You'll notice this demo store is completely built with Flexi, but to add in our section, we'll hit plus, scroll down to the section that we added in, or you can search for it by typing the section name in. Out of the box, it looks pretty good, but we can select each one of the groups and then add in our content. Or if you prefer, you can use meta fields or any type of dynamic source. Then once you're done, all you have to do is hit save and publish your theme. And the best part is, if you're handing this off to a client, it's really easy for them to go into each one of the sections and add in their own content. So to my fellow freelancers, agencies, Shopifolk, and nerds, I present you Flexi V5, the app I needed all along.